Halor ka Jingkren jong National General Secretary in charge jong ka party AITC Abhishek Banerjee, u President ka MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala, ulaong ba Kadei ba tip ya ka Rukom trekam jong kinomi khmat ha ka jela Meghalaya, bat da ka ba ongru ba ka jingmut jing perkhat jong kibreu ha ka Sain perthei ha Bengal, kamlong kum ha jela Meghalaya, hangtei kiliang Persya kim Jingkren la ne ye ju ye jan, ne ye treilang bat kibreu na ka weipat ka party, kumbalong ha ka jela Meghalaya. Kumta ulakren da kabayan nujor bat ka kam Sain perthei ha Bengal, kum ka kam Sain perthei ha Meghalaya. Haka Jingkren no baki MLA Congress ki treilang bat ki MLA ka BJP, uba pala ulaong ru ba baro ki ya ka Congress, bat baro ki constituency ki baki ne ki MLA ki la ya ka party, kala dep banbu ya ki kertong jongki, kumta ka jinge treilang jong ka Congress bat ka party BJP, Kadei ka babakla, Namar haba kila penyaso siya ka sorkar MDA, na kaliang ka party, kala suspend ki.
No, I think the mentality of Bengal politics is not like Meghalaya. In Meghalaya here, I think, thank God, you have not seen anywhere where the opposition and ruling did not talk, did not work together. I am the president of the party. I still have the chance and meet the president of another party for the public's interest. Whereas in Trinamool Congress, if you see in Bengal or in many other areas, they don't have the liberty to do that. So Meghalaya politics is totally different from West Bengal politics. I think he is talking in line with the West Bengal politics, not in line with what we are there here in Meghalaya. And as you are aware that everybody has left Congress. For example, all the constituencies of those 5 who left the Congress last, also we have already promoted like aspirant candidate. So the question of Congress working with BJP doesn't arise because once they join the government and they already suspended them, so that doesn't arise.